Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. So in this particular video, we are going to go step by step through how to open an options trading account. All right, this is the first step for anyone who wants to trade options contracts on stocks, indices, ETFs, or other markets. All right. So let us start with what an options trading account actually is. Okay. Now, an options account is a specialized account that allows you to buy and sell options contracts. All right. Options give you the right, but not the obligation to buy or sell an underlying asset at a specific price within a set time. So, to gain access to these contracts, you must open an account with a broker that offers options trading. All right. So, step one is choosing a regulated broker. All right. Not every broker offers options trading, so it is important to select one that does and is licensed by recognized authorities. Okay, so regulation ensures that your funds are safe and the broker follows fair practices. All right. Popular brokers often provide different approval levels depending on your experience. So choosing the right platform is essential. Okay. Now, the next step is completing the application process. Okay. Once you have, you can go through different options brokers available, and then you select the one that you want to make use of. All right. And once you have selected the particular broker that you want to make use of, then the next thing is to sign up, right? Step two is completing the application process. Okay. This involves providing your personal information, such as your name, your email address, phone number, along with creating a strong password, right? But unlike a basic trading account, opening an options account requires more detail, probably, right? Because brokers often ask about your financial background, trading experience, and knowledge of options strategies. So this helps them determine what level of trading access to grant you. Now, the third step, all right, by now, if you are really interested in opening an options broker, you must have already put in your email, your password, and then signed up. All right, it's a simple process. Okay, you must not necessarily use pocket option, but just make sure that whatever broker you are using, it should be regulated and it should offer the features that you desire, right? You can actually read reviews about the broker. Just do your research, okay? So once you've selected a particular broker, then you sign up. Signing up is always easy. In few simple steps, you signed up already. So once you are done with that, you go through the identity verification. As with any financial account, you need to provide documents such as a government issued ID and proof of address, right? So some brokers may ask for additional financial details This step, often referred to as KYC or Know Your Customer, ensures that your account is secure and legally compliant. The fourth step is setting up your account security, all right? So once your account is approved, protecting it should be your next priority. Enable two-factor authentication, use unique passwords, and avoid logging in from unsecured networks. All right. Options trading involves sensitive financial data, so security cannot be overlooked. The fifth step is funding your account, obviously, right? So to begin trading, you'll need to deposit funds using a method supported by your broker. This could be through a bank transfer, debit card or e-wallet, right? The minimum funding requirements vary depending on the broker, so make sure you are familiar with them before you even start. One key difference when opening an options trading account is that brokers assign approval levels, right? So these levels determine which types of options trades you can access. Beginners may be approved only for basic strategies such as buying calls and puts, while more experienced traders can access spreads, straddles, or advanced strategies. Understanding your approval level is important so you know what is available in your account. Another important step is reviewing risk disclosures. Okay, options are powerful instruments, but they also involve specific risks. Brokers require you to read and agree to detailed disclosures so you understand how options trading works and what responsibilities come with it. All right. So once your account is opened, verified, secured, and funded, you'll have access to the trading platform. Here you can view options, chains, analyze your strike prices and start learning how different strategies are applied. All right. So to recap, opening an options trading account involves 5 main steps. First of all, you have to choose a regulated broker. You have to complete the application, then you verify your identity, secure your account, and then fund it. All right. On top of that, you'll need to be aware of approvals. You need to be aware of approval levels and risk disclosures unique to options. Following this process carefully sets you up to begin exploring the world of options trading. If you found this guide useful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more Forex and options trading tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Happy trading.